Good morning, everybody in YouTube. I haven't done a video in a while, so I decided I'm going to do one this morning. I've also changed my name, if you haven't noticed. I've changed it to Jammin in my Jammies because usually when I make a video, it's usually in the morning, and I'm jamming in my Jammies. This morning, I'm going to change tones a little bit. I'm going to do a little bit of live from their, I believe it's from their Throwing Copper album. So this morning, I'm going to show you how to play Selling the Drama. It's a pretty simple song. We can do it all in one take. I'm in standard tuning. And we're just going to get right into it, starting with a G. Alright, a standard G7. So we're going to go from G, and then do a little hammer on the D. Do that until you're comfortable. Now he switches when he's singing, and I'm not going to sing the words. I don't remember the words too well, so I'll just do it along. Do-do-do, do-do, do-do-dee, do-do, do-do. So he switches to, your two fingers, your middle finger is on the 5th string, 2nd fret. Your ring finger is on the string right underneath it, same 2nd fret. And I believe that's an E minor, but I'm not 100% sure because I'm self-taught. But he does switch, and to burn a crowd that has a name. So he goes from E minor to the B right here, which is just the power chord. And fingers on the 5th string, 2nd fret. The power chord with your ring finger on the 4th fret on the 3rd from the top, and your baby finger right underneath it. That's the B. Now, when he goes to that, a crowd that has a name, then it's just like the G that we do up here, except you're just moving these two fingers just down one. And I forgot one thing. At the very beginning, he starts. Now, a lot of people do this. Do it either way, whatever. I do it like this. This kind of sounds more crisp. A flame into burn. A crowd that has a name. And to follow the cross. Da-da-dee. And to do screaming from the wall. Now it goes into the chorus from there, screaming from a wall. Then you go down to the D. I know, I read, I tried, I blah, blah, blah. I've been there before. Now where it goes from there, I've been there before. Baby, hey yeah, now we won't be scarred like that, hey yeah. So what it's doing, it's just going from the E minor again, just jumping down to the A minor, just that's all it's doing, so. Yeah, yeah, now we won't be raped, baby, yeah, yeah. Now we won't be scarred like that, hey yeah. Now we won't be raped. Now we won't be like that, right back down to that. I don't even know what this is called, but it's just like the G, but you move these two strings down. And that's pretty well, basically, that's the whole entire song. Do it a little bit faster. God, and to fear a flame, and to burn a crowd that has a name, and to that, I forget the words, across, and to be, do-do, do-do-do. I know, I've been here before. that should be the end of that. If there's anything I missed, anything you want to add, don't be afraid to add it to the messages like I always say. If there's any songs that you want to hear, any requests that you've got, send it down or email me. And thanks for tuning in again to another video. I am Ryan Elzinga, and this is Jammin' in your Jammies. Have a good day, everyone.